Chief Minister Biren today informed the House that the present unrest has greatly affected the state in multiple ways. Not only law and order issues, but the fiscal capacity has also been severely impacted. He was addressing the House while presenting the budget estimate for the year 2024 to 25. He admitted that the current financial year has been the hardest year for his government. The state may suffer tax losses to the tune of 800 crore rupees during the current year, he said, adding that this does not include the overall impact on the economy of the state. The actual impact, according to Biren, will be known when the state GDP figure is finally reconciled with the government of India. The Chief Minister said the state's expenditure on relief and security measures have increased substantially and in constant contact with the central government for additional support to help the state tide over the current resource shortage issues. Tabling the budget on the floor of the House, Chief Minister Biren proposed a total expenditure of 34,040 crore rupees out of the consolidated fund of the state for 2024 to 25. The total revenue expenditure is estimated at 20,246 crores rupees and capital outlay is estimated at 8,155 crores rupees. Highlighting the likely fiscal position during the year, Biren said that the fiscal deficit is estimated at 2,344 crores rupees with 4.45% of the GSDP. The total outstanding that has a percentage of GSDP is projected at 32%. The gross state domestic product GSDP for 2024-25 is estimated at 52,711 crore rupees. The total receipts are estimated at 33,057 crores rupees. The revenue receipts are estimated at 26,058 crores rupees and capital receipts at 6,998 crores rupees. Total estimates of state-owned tax and non-tax receipts are 2,470 crores rupees and 166 crores rupees respectively.